Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. Continuing with ongoing series of lipids on my channel Foodscito, today I am beginning with physical properties of lipids, namely emulsification, melting point, specific gravity, refractive index, turbidity point and smoke, flash and fire point. In today's session, I'll be covering few general properties along with the concept of emulsification, which is very important from examination point of view and industrial point of view as well. Let's begin. Lipids are lighter than water. Density lies between 0.8 and 0.9 gram per meter cube. And also they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Now let's discuss about emulsification. First of all, what do we understand by an emulsion? Emulsion is the mixture of two immiscible liquids. What is immiscible? That is two liquids which cannot be mixed together in general. Now let's discuss emulsification with regard to fats. Fats are insoluble in water, that we all know. So they can form emulsions but in the presence of emulsifying agents. Now we have two questions here. What are the types of emulsions fat form and what are emulsifying agents? So let's answer both of these. Emulsion can be oil in water or water in oil. Ma'am, what's the difference? Before moving on directly to this, first of all, let's understand that in emulsion there are two phases. One is dispersed phase and the other one is continuous phase. The dispersed phase is the one which is being dissolved in continuous phase. And what's the continuous phase? It's the one which contains dispersed phase. So oil in water, as the name suggests here, oil is the dispersed phase while water is the continuous one. Whereas in water in oil, water is the dispersed phase and oil is the continuous phase. So this is the difference. Now what are emulsifiers? Emulsifiers are the substances which stabilize these emulsions. For example, we have lecithin, diacetyl tartaric acid ester of monoglycerides, to name a few. The emulsification of fats is a necessary step in a number of food products, for example, ice creams, cakes, frozen desserts, etc. And some of the common natural food emulsions are milk, cream and egg yolk. Now as you can see that I have shown some products. Now your job is to find that what kind of emulsion is there in these products: milk, ghee, egg yolk and ice cream. So this was all about emulsification. Stay tuned with Foodscito for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for listening.